Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video, I'm going to be creating some paper beads from this picture that my daughter painted. So I just had her pretty much just throw a bunch of colors on a piece of, this is cardstock paper, so that I can cut it and turn it into paper beads. And I will be pairing it with this. I think this is going to be super cute as an accent color. Where did I get this? This is cardstock paper too. I got this just from a craft store. But before I get started, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just glaze this paper. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's like a matte, like it's dull, y'all. So I'm gonna give it some life. I'm going to glaze it and then I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so now that this is all dry, you can see like the change. You can see that it's really glossy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these two templates, and I'm going to cut out from both this sheet as well as my, oh my gosh, as well as that. I'm going to cut both out, both sizes out, and I'm going to run it through my Sizzix, and then I will be right back. Alright you guys, so I have all my pieces cut out, ready to go. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do one. Well, anyways, so all I'm going to do is just stack them, pretty much align them together, and then I'm going to put them through my roller, and then shoot, let's see what it look like. Okay you guys, so this is what the bead looks like, and although it is pretty and I can see the little hints of the gold on the side, what I think I'm also going to do is I'm just going to thin down the sides of this just a little bit so that you can really see more of that shimmer. But I mean, it's nice like that, but y'all know I want my stuff to shimmer, so I'm gonna cut it down on the side. Look at that, you guys. It came out so pretty. Like, these are super cute. And there's two different styles. Oops. There's two different styles, if you can see. You guys, these are like super shiny. I'm trying to decide if I want to gloss them. I mean, of course I probably should, like, duh. But I'm trying to figure out if the gloss or the glaze will mess up the gold. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and glaze them, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so these are all done and glazed up. I did 3 coats of the polyacrylic. You guys, look at that. I'm trying to get it to focus. There we go. And I love how you can just see like all the colors. And you can see the gold in it as well. You guys, these are like, this is like my favorite set. This is my favorite set of beads. Let me see if I look at that one. Look at it, and it's like, these are like super glossy. Like I said, I did 3 coats. Like, look at it. Shiny, shimmery, you guys. In love. This is going to be like my new way of doing paper beads. Just putting some colors on the paper and just, hey, whatever it comes out to look like, that's just what it is. So if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.
Slide the